What is up, guys? We have arrived in sunny California, Sacramento area to be specific. This YouTube video is going to be a little different than others. I don't really know what we have planned, but we're here for a week and probably the worst time to travel with gas prices soaring and shortages and stuff like that. But nonetheless, we're gonna have a great time. Let's see what's in store. Ignore the noise, we're right beside the highway, but we're at the tallest bridge in California, Forest Hill Bridge, 730 feet of elevation. We're gonna hike down, show you some of the views, but this bridge is super high up. Let's go. Made it to the bottom of the bridge, guys. Still a good amount of ways to go to the river, but talk about high up. You really get a different perspective from down here. All right, guys, as you see, we have made it to the base, and talk about huge. This bridge is something else. The base, or the first section of concrete's about 10 feet tall. I'm 6'1", so yeah, about 10 feet tall of just concrete at the base. Pretty sure it's on both sides like that. Talk about a huge structure. Ignore my hair. It's not too bad of a hike down here. We made it in about 15 minutes. Don't know if we're gonna go all the way down to the river, because we got a few more hikes that we're gonna do on this trip as well. A few waterfalls, but if you look closely, you can see the river right there, and then the rapids start. Super beautiful. And this is what we're talking about. Shield Republic's a lifestyle, guys. Get out, enjoy yourself, enjoy the time with the fam. Do things like this. Do things you're never gonna do again. See the world, live it up. Let's get back to the top. All right, guys, heading back up the trail now. Let's talk about an awesome experience, man. Like I said, Shield Republic's a lifestyle. Get out, enjoy your life. Enjoy it with friends, family. Do things you never thought you would do before, just because you only get one life. Heading back up. Super steep incline, but not too long of a trail, so it shouldn't be too bad. All right, guys, so we made it to the top of the trail, heading back across the bridge. It's a pretty long bridge, but like I said before, 730 feet up, and there's actually a call box. I'll put it in the video, but on each end of the bridge, excuse me. And it's pretty much, this bridge is widely known for committing suicide. So I'll actually up here in a second, there's a bunch of notes and stuff people have stuck to the railings for people that are having a hard time and considering that. But super sad, also super beautiful. let's get across. So here's some of the encouraging notes left on the bridge. And pretty much they're scattered. Maybe you'll see them while I'm walking, but they're scattered all along the bridge. And it's just encouraging words for people that are attempting suicide or thinking about taking their life, considering this is one of the very well-known areas to do that. As we get closer to the center, you'll see an abundance of notes. On a lighter note of things, this is an amazing view, guys. And there's actually, let's see, so right about here there's some waterfalls that we're gonna hit up tomorrow. It's another trail, and do some swimming, have some fun. We'll see you then. Alright guys, so as I said earlier in the video, we're gonna come back and do some cliff jumping. Today's the day. So this is the bridge I was talking about, Jacob up there. Super beautiful river. Some people jumping in down there and stuff. So let's see what we can do. Get it.
Woo! That's perfect right here, dude. I got Spider-Man skills, bro. Oh, there's something more. I'll do it again.
Dude, that stuff is cold.
What? Not bad.
All right guys, so first jump, not too bad. We'll show a few more throughout the day, but gonna be walking up and down the river, getting higher jumps, lower jumps, stuff like that. Let's go have some fun.
Jump number 2, guys. Feels good. It's a little cold. Jump off that bridge. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
We get too much velocity.
All right, we're going for the second jump, guys. Remember, you only live once, so enjoy it. Woo. That's some cold water. Oh.
Chili?
Chili.
Yeah, go up on that little rock right there. All right, let's get it. Woo!
You jump from the top?
Yeah.
Nice.
What'd you say? All right, guys, that's all for the Cali trip. We had an amazing time out here in sunny California. And like I've said before, make sure you get out, explore your state, your city, your country, and even the world. You never know what opportunities come for you. And if you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time, guys.